Hey, what's up, guys? This is Dustin. I'm a civil engineer at the University of South Florida, and today we're going to talk about the economic impact of sustainable cities. When people hear about sustainability in infrastructure, they usually think about protecting the environment, but it's also about saving money and creating stronger communities. In this video, we're going to talk about the economic impact of sustainable cities and how investing in infrastructure today can reduce the cost for the future. Before we talk about the economic impact, let's quickly review the first two videos in this series. In video 1, we focused on an example of the Bullet building, where we take a deeper dive into energy efficient buildings, renewable energy, and better construction methods. In video 2, we explored digital innovation using Chattanooga's smart grid as an example, and we saw how smart grids, sensors, and data systems help cities manage resources more efficiently. Now we're going to bring those ideas together to answer one important question: why do sustainable cities matter? So why invest in sustainable infrastructure? Sustainable infrastructure often costs more to build upfront because of technologies like solar panels, efficient materials, and smart systems that require a larger upfront investment. However, cities have to think beyond the initial price. Buildings and infrastructure that use less energy, require less repairs, and last longer end up saving money over their lifetime. The goal isn't simply to spend less today, it's to create systems that cost less for decades to come. How sustainable infrastructures work together. The greatest economic benefit come when physical and digital infrastructure work together. The stronger, more resilient buildings and renewable energy systems from video 1 become more effective when paired with the smart technology from video 2. Sensors, data, and automated systems help cities monitor resources, identify problems early, and improve efficiency. These systems reduce waste, lower maintenance costs, and help cities operate more efficiently. The cost of doing nothing. Choosing not to invest in sustainable infrastructure can become much more expensive over time. Aging roads, bridges, buildings, and power systems require frequent repairs and are more likely to fail, leading to higher costs for taxpayers. By investing in resilient infrastructure now, cities can avoid expensive repairs later while creating safer and more reliable communities. So more than saving money, the benefits of sustainable cities extend far beyond just reducing costs. Sustainable projects create more jobs in engineering, construction, renewable energy, and technology. They also improve everyday life by providing safer buildings, better transportation, cleaner energy, and more reliable public services. A sustainable city supports both a healthier environment and a stronger local economy. Why this matters to engineers today. Engineers today do much more than just design structures to simply work. They must create systems that are efficient, affordable, resilient, and prepared for future generations. Whether designing energy efficient buildings or improving transportation networks or developing smarter infrastructure, engineers play a major role in building sustainable cities. Engineers also have to think about how their designs will perform over decades in the future. A bridge, road, or building might be used by thousands of people every day, so it needs to be safe, durable, and cost-effective throughout its entire lifespan. The challenge for engineers is finding solutions that balance environmental responsibility, costs, and long-term performances. As cities continue to grow, engineers will be at the center of creating communities that are both sustainable and built to last. Across all three videos, we've seen how sustainable cities are built through the combination of physical resilience, digital innovation, and smart economic planning. Stronger infrastructure creates safer communities, while smart technology helps cities operate more efficiently. Together, they reduce long-term costs and improve quality of life. Building sustainable cities isn't just about protecting the environment. It's about making investments that create stronger, more affordable, and longer-lasting communities for the future. These are my sources for my images, and these are my resource references. Thanks for watching, and hope you guys learned something.